So, hello everybody. Hi everybody. This is Kellen. He's getting ready to do Resident Evil shit, and then he's gonna go do a smashed potato dance for us.
And then I have to go to Pizza Fire.
Okay.
And I'm at the
Okay. Okay, I think we get it, Kellen. Go on. Just do your thing. Well, I'll be a cowgirl. Cuckoo cachoo. Bam, bam. So he just killed some zombies. Oh, he disappeared into the kitchen. Oh, so dark. So mysterious. So Kellen. Oh, and there's Sam with her color back on. Okay, come on, hurry up. And then do your mashed potato dance. Dad's getting his air mask. Just pumped up.
What article were you waiting around to read?
I don't know. Ah, damn it. I can't get you, Gubby. Dad's fat ass is in the way. Oh, jeez. Where'd the Kellen go? There he is. Well, let's just ignore him for a little bit because he's apparently not going to do the mashed potato dance for us. Noisy. Stepdad is really noisy. And I don't know. Sam! Hi, Gigi! Hi, Sam! Who's a pretty girl? Oh, who's my pretty girl? Ah, and there's Kellen. Who's my pretty girl? Who's my baby? My baby. Epically. This video is an epic fail dedicated to my twin sister Nicole. I love ya. Love ya. Okay, so Stepdad finally decides to turn off the thing to, like, yeah, you know. But here's Kellen again. Okay. Kel, you know you've been on this for 2 minutes now?
Yeah.
Can we do the mashed potato dance?
Well,
Fine. Then I'm gonna go. Look at the dog. Oh, look at the dog. Look at the dog.
well, I'm almost at the fire.
Then look at the bears. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. They say the same old thing. Look at the dog. Sam. 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 Annoying ass stepdad. Mommy. Hold on. Run, little boy, run. Ah. Say hello to the people, Mom. Say hello. Hello, people.
Don't be running up on my space.
I'm not. Cal, get down already.